Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about some words and how to say them. And the name of this game is Sound Slide. Now, I have a list of words with me, and my student here is going to help me out to choose one of the words. Choose one of them. Very good. Now, show it to them. This is our word. Now, we are going to do a sound slide where our hand is going to become our slide. So, put out your left hand. Very good. Where is your shoulder?
Here.
Very good. Where is your elbow?
Here.
Very good. And where is your wrist?
Here.
Very good. Now, we are going to break down this word and we are going to say their sounds. Not ta, it's ta. Good. A. Very good. Now we are slowly going to slide them. Hat. Good. Now we'll choose another word from this list. Okay. Let's show them this word. Now, again we are first is on the shoulder. O. Not ha. It's O. O. Now slide them. Now, speak it.
Hop.
Hop. Hop. Very good. Wonderful. Now, again, let's choose one. Okay. Show it to them. Okay, very good. Now, we'll speak this word on our sound slide. First is good. Good. Now slide it. Fan. Very good. Now one, you will do it on your own. Pick out one. Okay. Show it to them. Good. Now put it here. Now break it down on your shoulder, on your elbow and on your wrist and then speak it while sliding. Good. Good. Now slide. Good. Now again slide it. Good. Again do it. Good. Now speak it while sliding. Good. Again do it. Good. Now slide it faster.
Man.
Good. Very good. Great job.